Here we are starting our journey. The sun's coming out. Another great day for a beautiful hike. There are numerous parking spots along this gravel road, and depending on where you park will determine which path you take down and where you'll ultimately end up on the creek. As you can see, it is fairly steep and well marked with ribbons. I'd like to thank whoever set the ropes in the steep areas to help people get down. There's one of those ropes right here in this section. Now, one of the other parking areas a little further down will get you to the bottom of the falls and that rocky little beach you just saw. Now, most people go to the bottom of the falls and admire the large drop, but above the falls, this little area is equally stunning. Now, like most places in the Pacific Northwest, if you can come during the week and you can get there a little early, you can have something like this all to yourself, as I did. There was nobody there. There were no other cars in the parking lot. I came here last year for the first time, and I had no idea this was up here. What a cool little spot. Next time I come, I'm definitely swimming this little area. Now, when I saw that light in the water, curiosity got the best of me. I had to climb up and over to see what was on the other side. This is a relatively easy hike and doesn't take more than an hour or so. This little butterfly was there to send me off.